Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. Hey guys, we're going to make all of these animals. Last time we made an elephant. Now let's make the tiger. Here are the materials. We need all the orange pieces. We have lots of stickers and foam pieces. And we even have these stickers. Even we need the orange stickers. And this is the thing for the tiger also.
This is Lily Tiger. Stick your tiger face, legs, and tinsel tail to the orange foam. Add stripes with your black pen.
Black pen? Yeah, they have a black pen in here. And here's Daddy. Orange foam. All the orange pieces. Here's the tail. Here are the legs. Oh, kind of nice tail. I thought we needed a blue one. Here it is. Now let me see if it marks like a pin. Not quite good on this. Other way. The sticky pieces. Oh, what's this? Is that the white stickies?
Yeah.
White stickies can stick it together.
Yep.
Are we sure we need 3 stickies?
Let's see if you have all the pieces now.
We need 3 stickies. So we're going to make the tail now. Here's the glitter tail, the stickies, the googly eyes, which we need giant, and the stickers, and the pin for it. And we have these for the tiger.
Which piece do you think that you want to put on first?
According, it says none of these pieces.
Okay, so let's take this away.
And we can start building. First we need the legs now. Shoot fly! Shoot fly! Shoot fly!
Okay.
Shoot it far away. Gotta make sure it doesn't fly back here. Oh my god. This one is harder than I expected. There! No, that's not the right way. Here is the right way. When it's sticking the right way, then you leave it on. Here's the other leg. Ooh.
And 2.
1, 2.
Okay. Now, what do you think we need to put on there next?
We need the googlies. We need these 2 giants.
Actually, you need to put the mouth and nose on first.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, because you have to put the googly eyes over top a little bit of the mouth and the nose.
That's really right.
Okay, now it looks like you
We need
put
the
the
googly
googly eyes on.
What is there 3 of these?
I don't know.
Oh, maybe it thinks we don't need one of them. And they accidentally put one of them on by mistake.
1. 2.
Hey, why doesn't the number 2 stick?
Did you take the sticker off?
Maybe it's because of the
Here, let me
sticker.
get it. Here. Yeah, the sticker stayed on there. There you go.
Now it looks like next we need the paws.
Yep. And where do the paws go?
On the feet.
They go a little above the feet.
Yes.
Right here. Here's the feet and here's the paws, because it has 2 on the bottom and 2 in the front.
Here it is.
Yep.
Oh yes. Here's the tail now. The hardest part is the tail.
Okay, now you need some ears. Where are the ears?
They are orange, just like these. These are the ears. Why don't the flies have ears? They need to hear me. How about we put them all the way on so they don't dry out? Like that?
It's a good idea.
I don't want them to dry out.
Yeah.
Because we are Israelers. Okay, all the stickers are almost gone. We got the bear ones and the goose ones.
Okay.
It looks
looking
very
good.
because these look just like the eyebrows.
All right, now let's put this on.
And then, for the final touch, we need to mark some stripes.
Ooh, nice stripes.
That's the one.
And then they got stripes on the sides.
Okay. Now we keep on going.
Really looks like a tiger. It's a very good job. Wow, creative.
I'm an artist.
That's right.
I'm very good at drawing.
Tape the tail on. And it looks like the tail is on the side of its body in the back.
Tail is sticked on.
There you go.
When I put it down, it's going to roll.
Wow.
In one, and in 2, and 3. Roar! Did you see that?
Oh, really good roar.
Here, let's do it even louder. In a 1, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Roar! It's gonna bite you, watch out! These are my 2 creations. Hope you make anything. Goodbye. The bear and the goose. We're gonna do them later. So now that we have 3 left, which one do you now want to see? Leave it in the comments down below. Remember to subscribe. I really wish we could do the animals because they'll be in that thing that has feathers.
Peacock.
That peacock, I want to finish it too. And those 3 aliens, maybe 4 or 5 or 6. I don't even know.
And the panda.
Yeah. Panda? So let me know which one you want to do. We're going to be back soon. And paint whatever I want to do. We already did the elephant and tiger. Okay, bye. We already did the elephant and tiger. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the comments down below. Alright, bye. Okay, guys, have a great day. Hi, guys. Have a watching. Have a great day. If you had a great time watching my FoolyFun videos, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell. And smash the thumbs up button to my channel. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.